Hello, welcome back into this schematic channel. This video topic is how to download the Keil software for 8051. So first of all, you need to open this web page. So link in the description, so you can directly open that web page. Then click on this product downloads. Here we see the 4 different options. So click on this 651. When you first time open it, then you see this enter your contact information below, and we need to put that information. This is not information on which basis we receive the download link, but you need to put it out. And that software is the demo version, which allow us the 32 KB code. So if you want to be full version, then you need to buy it. You need to put first name, last name, email. Make sure you put your original email. Then you write down any kind of company. It's not important. Maybe you write down here education, job title, student, and then you choose your country, state, put your phone and tick mark on it if you want. It's not compulsory, and then tick mark on there, okay, and then submit. I quickly fill this form and then I show you the next step. Now, when you fill this form, then this page is open automatically. They don't ask for your for the verification and any kind of stuff. Then simply when you click on submit, then this web page is directly open. Okay, now here you see the installation guide, and here is the software. So first of all, simply click on it. It's only the I think 107 MB. Okay, so we simply click on it and the downloading is start. Now file downloading is start. It's take a few seconds, then it's completed, and then I show you how we can install it. So these are the limitation of 651 evaluation tool. So these are the compilers, but only the 2 KB of the object code is allowed in the free version. Okay, objection. This is the biggest limitation when you download this free version. Software is download. Now we see how we can install it. So can simply run as administrator, then click on I agree to the terms, click on next, choose the destination folder, and then click on next. Right now write your names here, email, put any kind of company name, and you can write down any email. It's not big deal. Then click on next. Now installation is start. It's only take a few seconds. Your software is installed, and click on finish. Now this is our software which is installed right now, so we simply run it. Okay, now in that way you can download and install the Keil software for 8051. So I hope so you like this video. Please subscribe and share with your friend which want to download the Keil software. I'll see you in the next time.